Today's topic: how to make a better life for yourself.
Have you ever thought about how to make a better life for yourself? Many people have tried to make a better life for themselves but fail. You don't have to fail. But you need to be consistent with your goal. Before you can make a better life for yourself, it is important that you think about where in your life you want to be better. How do you find which part of your life you want to become better? Think about the things in your life that you like to change. Change is a priority in your life. Change the way you do something can change your life forever. Change doesn't work alone. But change and planning work together. Therefore, you need to create a plan that includes your change. Reminder: you can find people, places, and things changing anywhere in the world. Seeking for people who had made a change in their lives like the change you like to make. It is recommended to seek those who already made the change. Also, seek those who had failed while making changes in their lives. According to Interested Engineering, 9 influential inventors who failed multiple times before reaching success. In this discussion, Interested Engineering had published that the award-winning poet Maya Angelou once said, "You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated." Next, he published a famous quote by Dyson. "What I've learned from running is that the time to push hard is when you're hurting like crazy, and you want to give up. Success is often just around the corner." Dyson had failed over and over in his inventions. According to Interested Engineering, it took Sir James Dyson 5,130 vacuum design attempts before he could get a proper working vacuum. Sometime making a change to something does always work. But the enthusiastic part about it that you don't give up, you stick to the plan. Nobody is perfect. But everybody can make a change.